Hey guys! Finally we got the new update of Rocky Rabbit. Rocky Rabbit Airdrop eligibility is extended. Snapshot and trading launch dates announced. The updated schedule includes a snapshot and review of eligible users on September 21, 2024, followed by the Rocky Rabbit Airdrop listing date on September 22. Before that, your friend Crypto Pearl has brought a free giveaway for you in which you do not have to do anything to participate. You have to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and in the comment, you have to tell why you want dollars. As soon as 1,000 likes are completed on this video, I will give you at least $60 to a random person here. So, let's get into the video. The Rocky Rabbit coin listing date is September 23rd, with trading options going live on leading exchanges. This date also marks unveiling the new Rocky Rabbit version, introducing players to an exciting play-to-earn (P2E) game world. To become eligible, the recommended method is to use the TON Keeper wallet. If you've made multiple transactions or mistakenly sent an extra TON, don't worry, the extra amount will be refunded to the wallet you originally sent from. Additionally, if you sent TON without including a memo, you'll need to resend the transaction with the proper memo to become eligible. Payments without a memo will be refunded. For those still facing issues despite sending the required TON, it's likely that either the memo was forgotten, or the payment amount was insufficient, less than 0.5 TON. To resolve this, users need to resend the correct amount with the appropriate memo. Here's the updated timeline. September 21st. Snapshot and review of eligible users and airdrop distribution. September 22nd. Airdrop distribution to eligible users. September 23rd. Withdrawal options will be activated, trading on major exchanges will begin, the new version of Rocky Rabbit will be unveiled, and play-to-earn (P2E) games will launch. With over 25 million players and a growing community, Rocky Rabbit has quickly become a major player in the crypto gaming sector. As excitement builds, the Rocky Rabbit pre-market price and token listing are highly anticipated events. Players are urged to double-check their eligibility to avoid missing out on this significant airdrop event. Rocky Rabbit Airdrop Eligibility Criteria. If users fail to complete the eligibility steps, their RBTC airdrop will be burned. To finalize eligibility, participants are advised to use the TON Keeper wallet and ensure that any TON sent includes a memo. Transactions without a memo will be refunded, and payments below 0.5 TON will need to be corrected. Additionally, any extra TON sent will be refunded to the original wallet. The Rocky Rabbit listing date is approaching, and players who have participated in the game by completing tasks and battles will be rewarded with RBTC tokens. The significant details are as follows. September 22nd. Rocky Rabbit Airdrop launch date and RBTC token distribution to eligible users. September 23rd. RBTC token withdrawals and trading on major exchanges, including Binance and KuCoin. Snapshot and trading launch dates announced. The updated schedule includes a snapshot and review of eligible users on September 21, 2024, followed by the Rocky Rabbit Airdrop listing date on September 22nd. The Rocky Rabbit coin listing date is September 23rd, with trading options going live on leading exchanges. This date also marks the unveiling the new Rocky Rabbit version, introducing players to an exciting play-to-earn (P2E) game world. With over 25 million players and a growing community, Rocky Rabbit has quickly become a major player in the crypto gaming sector. As excitement builds, the Rocky Rabbit pre-market price and token listing are highly anticipated events. Players are urged to double-check their eligibility to avoid missing out on this significant airdrop event. Rocky Rabbit tokenomics: 50% of tokens allocated for user rewards. Rocky Rabbit's token distribution is meticulously planned to reward the community, enhance liquidity, and ensure long-term project viability. Number 1. Community rewards: 50%. A substantial $10.5 trillion RBTC tokens are reserved for community rewards. This includes play-to-earn opportunities, airdrops, and incentives for active participation, encouraging users to engage deeply with the platform. Number 2. Marketing: 15% allocating 3.15 trillion tokens to marketing efforts underscores Rocky Rabbit's commitment to expanding its reach and building brand recognition. Number 3. Development, 10% with 2.1 trillion tokens earmarked for development. Rocky Rabbit is poised to innovate and enhance its ecosystem continuously. Number 4. Listing and liquidity, 10% ensuring smooth trading experiences. 2.1 trillion tokens are set aside for liquidity and exchange listings. Number 5. Reserve and staking, 8% to support staking rewards and maintain reserves. 1.68 trillion tokens are allocated, fostering a robust staking environment. Number 6. Investors, 5%. A dedicated 1.05 trillion tokens are reserved for investors, aligning their interests with the project's long-term success. Team, 2%. The core team receives 420 billion tokens, incentivizing ongoing development and project stewardship. Airdrop eligibility and criteria checklist. Airdrop amount. Rewards are based on your total earn. Even newcomers can earn approximately 1 TON in $RBTC. Network fee. To mitigate network congestion on the TON network, Rocky Rabbit collects fees up front. Eligibility tasks. To be eligible for the upcoming airdrop, players need to connect to their TON wallet, make a TON transaction, and subscribe to the channel. 50% of the airdrop is distributed on TGE Day, with the remaining 50% released over 5 months through Play to Unlock activities. In addition to the airdrop, Rocky Rabbit is launching a 1-week referral campaign. Each day, the top 5 users who invite the most friends will win prizes from a $1,500 daily pool. Rank 1, $500. Rank 2, $400. Rank 3, $300. Rank 4, $200. Rank 5, $100. Rocky Rabbit's well-structured tokenomics investing schedules ensure growth, stability, and active community engagement. With 50% of its token supply allocated to user rewards, Rocky Rabbit incentivizes participation while maintaining balance through gradual releases. The token launch and airdrop on September 23 mark a major milestone. Players with linked TON wallets who are actively engaged are set to benefit. However, as a new tap-to-earn game, players should research and trade responsibly, anticipating potential token volatility upon launch. I hope you guys liked the information, that is if you guys liked anything. Stay tuned to the Crypto Pearl channel for more updates and tasks related to the token launch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Crypto Pearl channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Rocky Rabbit's airdrop. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.